Hey guys, so today I will show you how to get the Traffic Rider hack for iOS and Android, unlimited resources as you can see. So this is updated, it's time to share it with y'all. So head for Zoom Mods, right? This site's got all the modded apps you could ask for. So once you're there guys, we're just gonna go and type in Traffic Rider, and as you can see it says Traffic Rider mod, so just press on it, it's gonna start downloading. So before it actually downloads, I do have to tell you that there is a verification step, which is pretty easy. You just have to download some apps, complete the instructions. They're 100% for free, and they're from the official App Store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to download. So as you will see in a moment, it's going to bring us to the verification page, and we just need to download some of the apps. So just press on the app and press tap to install. And it's going to take you to the App Store. Now, bear in mind, each one has its own instructions. Make sure you read those. You can see this one says download and run for 30 seconds, but then this one says reach level 10. Now, bear in mind, I'm in the US, so these are the apps they show for me. But if you're in another country, you might have different apps. Now, remember, even though there's 4 of them, we only have to download 2 of them. So don't get scared that you have to do 4. You only have to download 2 of the apps. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to get the Traffic Rider hack. So yeah, as you can see, I'm super rich, guys. So I hope you enjoyed. You can unlock all bikes and you can get rich as hell. Just do this dumb verification. It's a one-time thing. So after you do it, you should never have to do it again, obviously. It's not like you have to do it every time you open the game or something. But yeah, down here you can see they've got an AI you can actually talk to, which is kind of weird, but pretty cool. So yeah, be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but be sure to subscribe to the channel. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and peace out.